Hello Bladers! Here in the Philippines, we really have a hot weather. So, if you're a car owner, you always need to be mindful about your car's fluids. Otherwise, your car will overheat, and it will cause a lot of problems for you. However, your car's fluids are not the only ones you should be checking on. You also need to check on your car's brakes. Not sure how to decipher if your brakes are overheating? Well, here's a list. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here's the list of how to know if your car brake is overheating. Number 1, uneasy feeling. Stepping on your brake always gives that certain distinct feeling only it can give. So, if you step on it and it feels a bit off or a bit spongy, then chances are your brake is overheating. Number 2, smoke. Of course, if you see smoke every time you brake, then there's a problem. Let an expert check it ASAP and better be on the watch out for a lingering burning smell. Number 3, squealing sound. If you hear a squealing sound, your brake is most probably overly worn out that the metals are grinding on each other. Better bring them to your car maintenance shop to have it fixed immediately. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some tips for malfunctioning brakes? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.